Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a really quick overview of the Meerkat Money members area, so you can see what you're going to find inside. This is an early draft version of the members area, so it may look very slightly different when you come in. This color coding here was for a previous product, so it will probably have changed color, and this is a temporary logo, so I quite like this one actually, but the actual logo may look slightly different to that. But anyway, so once you're here, obviously watch the welcome video from me. There's a couple of places for you to join my YouTube group and my Facebook group for some additional free training. Then we go on to an overview of Meerkat Money, and then this is the main training section. So in here obviously we've got a quick introduction to the training, and then you're going to be able to grab your 100% reseller rights to all 20 of the products. So then you're going to be able to obviously get guaranteed approval to promote them, and you're going to be able to start promoting them and earning 100% affiliate commissions across the entire sales funnels on all of those products. Then you're going to get access to the products yourself, so as well as obviously being able to sell these products, you get access to use them. So all of these 20 products you can actually get into and enjoy using. In fact, it's 35 products, because one of the products actually has a bonus, includes 17 products from another 17 top marketers. So you're actually going to get access to 35 products. How to use the products as bonuses to give away. So we just talk you through, you know, what you need to actually give to people when you're actually setting up giving these products away as a bonus, what link to use. Then we're going to show you how to use the resources that come with this, which is basically the squeeze pages, and then how to promote. And your resources will be under here, which is the link to the free squeeze pages that you can use to actually you know, either promote these products to sell them, or indeed, you know, if you want to give them away as bonuses or lead magnets. That's really it, a conclusion to wrap things up. And your bonuses that come with this, which you'll see on the sales page, are included here, and any upgrades will be under here. I've also got unadvertised bonus. So that's pretty much it, folks. That's a very quick demo of what to expect inside Meerkat Money. I hope very much that you will join me inside in a few minutes time, and we can get you up and running and earning those big 100% commissions.